Okay guys, thanks for coming back. So in today's video we're gonna start with the UI. So this is the first part that we're gonna start with for our UI. We're gonna build these three icons here, as you can see, and also we're gonna display these texts just below here. So this is the parts that we're gonna start with today's video. So let's open our main file here, as you can see. And here in this file we're going to import first material darts. After that we're going to need also the flutter services, yeah, like that. Here we're going to have this main function, run up. This will be our first widget. Here we can create it just like that. And after that we're gonna return our material app. We're gonna need a theme, theme data, and here inside of this we're gonna first our highlights color will be a black one, and we're gonna use material 3. Here for the font family we're gonna use Poppins as usual. So don't forget to go back here inside your asset folders, and here for the fonts, as you can see here, you can add first your fonts here in this folder, and then come here in the YAML file, and here you can just add the path of your fonts just like this, and everything will work. So right now we're gonna use our service, this flutter services package, by doing just like this, because we want to change stuff like, you know, status bar color, status bar brightness, status bar icon brightness, you know, these icons right here. So the first thing that we're gonna do will be system cron dot just like that. And here we're gonna need something like system UI overlay style, yeah. Let's define the status bar color. Let's make it just transparent, transparent. Brightness, let's make it, because we are using the white color, let's make it dark for the brightness. This one will be light. And for the icons, yeah, the icons now will be dark. After that we're gonna change also the system navigation bar color. So let's make it colors gray, shade 100, yeah. And here the last one will be now the system navigation bar, bar, yeah, like that. And the brightness will be dark. Okay, after that we're gonna add another line here in the material saying show checked mode banner. We're gonna make it false, and after that for the home we're gonna, so this is the UI that we're gonna build. It's gonna be called posts view. I think it's gonna be const. Yeah. Okay guys, before going any further, we're gonna work on the structure of our application. So here we're gonna create a folder for the business logic. So let's say business logic. We're gonna need another one called presentation, and the last one is data. So here in the business logic we're gonna have two more folders. The first one will be qubits. Let me correct that, it's not qubits but qubits, yeah. And the other one will be blocks. After that, here in the data we're gonna have providers, repositories, yeah, models, and the last one services. Okay, so after that, here in the presentation we're gonna have all the UI, all the folders of the interfaces or the UI that we're gonna need for our application. So guys, as you know, we are working on this post view interface, so let's create a folder for that. Here in the presentation we're gonna create a folder called posts view, and here we're gonna have a file called, so let me correct this first, it's not gonna be post view but just posts, and here we're gonna have a file called posts view.dart. Okay, in this file we're gonna import first the material package, and after that we're gonna need a stateless widget, so we're gonna call it post view, and after that we're gonna return a container first. This container will have a color, let's make it white, and after that we're gonna need a child. This child will be a safe area because we just want to work in the safe area of the screen of our device. So after that we're gonna need a scaffold now, just like that. Let's add semicolon there. We're gonna remove these consts, and the body of our application will be a custom scroll view. This custom scroll view receive a children of slivers, yeah, like that. Okay, let me save this and then come here in the main file, and let me just import this. I've already run the application, so I'm gonna just restart it. I think it works, so let me just come here and try to display something by writing sliver to box adapter child. Let me save and see. Yeah, it works. Now I'm gonna work on this part right here. As you can see, this text is coming just after this one, so they are displayed inside a column widgets. So let's do that. Okay, first let's get rid of this, and here you're gonna have a column. This column will have children. Here the cross axis elements, will be start, and after that I think we're gonna need some padding all around this column. So we're gonna say only left 20, right 20, bottom we're gonna say 40, and on top we're just gonna say 10, something like that. Okay guys, now we can just serve this. Let's save it. Okay, and here inside of our column we're gonna have two items. The first one will be a row, the second one will be a text. So for this row it's gonna have children, so the main axis size will be, let's make it max because we want it to take the whole screen by default. And after that we want the main axis alignment to be at the very end, just like this, because we have these three items inside of this row and all of them are displayed at the very end of the row. Yeah, this is why we use this line here, the main axis alignment dot end. Okay, after that we're gonna add our first item of the row. It's gonna be an icon button, just like that. And after that here we're gonna have our icon, actually it's gonna be add, just like that. To fix this issue here, we're just gonna come up here on our save area and remove these consts and save again, just like that, and everything is good again. So for our icon we're gonna change the color, and the color for our icon will be actually amber 800. Let's remove these consts, just like that. So after that we're gonna need another item. This will be also an icon button, so we're just gonna copy paste that, and here we're just gonna change the icon. That will be search. Let's save. Okay, it's good. But here we're just gonna add some space. Let's make it 10. Yeah, like that. So the last item of this row will be actually a cycle avatar, and the radius for this will be 22. Background color, let's make it amber 100, and here for the child we're just gonna use an icon's face, sorry, just like that. Let me save and see. Yeah, but we're just gonna change this color. Let's make it gray. Yeah, it's okay. So now we're gonna display the text, and we're just gonna come down here and first add some space between these two widgets. Height will be 40, and here we're gonna have a text saying my posts, like that maybe. And here the style will be, we're gonna make it bold, just like that, and the font size will be, let's say 40. Let me save and see. Yeah, like that. It's great and it's so beautiful. I don't know if you have noticed that, but the background of our application is not really white. So we're gonna change that by coming back here in the main file, and here just gonna write scaffold background colors. Let's make it white. After that, let's restart the application, and yeah, it works. Now our application is white. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate. This will be all for today, but tomorrow we're gonna work on this part right here where we display the list of the items that will be coming from the server. You know, all the posts will be displayed here, so we're gonna work on this item here in this list, and after that we're gonna also display or work on this part where we display this scroll bar. Yeah, we're gonna add this also to our application, and so these two functionalities, these two part of the UI, we're gonna be implementing them tomorrow. So guys, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel so you're not gonna miss any future video of this tutorial series. You know guys, this is going to be really interesting as we are going forward. So I hope I see you in the next one. Peace.